Here we go.
This is the National Weather Service in the Quad Cities. The preceding signal was a test of the weather radio public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. This test is normally conducted by the National Weather Service each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and 12 noon. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed until the next available non-severe weather day. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for watches and warnings affecting parts of eastern Iowa, northwest and west central Illinois, southwest Wisconsin, and northeast Missouri. This concludes the weekly test of the Weather Radio Public Warning System. We now return to normal programming. You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio Station WXJ73 in the Quad Cities. The current time is 11:01 a.m. Central Daylight Time.
Well, this is not cool. Well, WR100 is failed because it without an advisory light on it. So, we'll see what I can do on a spring break or summer vacation, however. Well, I think we'll be coming soon for summer vacation also. So, we'll be coming soon in May. So, we'll stick around in the next one for another monthly test. I mean weekly test. We'll see another. We just gotta wait till. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. We just gotta wait till LOT's test.